Hello everyone, I'm Blake from Trade Tracer. Welcome to the Market Report. We are looking at the S&P 500 here on a daily time frame. As always, none of this is financial advice. Always trade and invest at your own risk. All right, what is going on with the market? Well, just to kick things off this week, we have a phenomenal list of earnings, right? If you're looking for a swing trade, this might not be the week to be swing trading, as we've got Amazon, we've got Tesla, we've got Apple, we've got Google, we've got AMD. So especially heavy in that tech sector, we've got some big name earnings. All right, so anything in the Qs is pretty much going to be off limits this week because it's already looking a little volatile. Now on the industrials, we've got Boeing and some other big names, so we got to be very careful this week. If you are trading, I would be looking for more shorter term trades. If you're looking to get into more swing trades and looking to add more long, long market exposure, if you're holding from this uptrend back here, hopefully you still are. But the next add isn't until we confirm price strength confirmation above Friday's high. On the SPY, that's 418.25. That's what I'm looking at. And on the downside, we're pretty much in this chop zone, hanging out above the cloud. But technically, we're still in a no trend trading environment on the S&P 500. Now, those of you that have been with me for a while, you understand that we make our money in uptrend, and we just came out of a 13-day uptrend. We've been in no trend for essentially 4 days now, and it's been very choppy and not the type of trading environment that suits our risk profile. So be patient, stay patient. I wouldn't be looking to add any new long market exposure until the S&P can get above this 418.25. On the downside, I would be looking to book my profits from this uptrend if we break below the 420 low, which on the S&P was 412.17. So below 412.17, I'll likely be taking my profits from this uptrend, the last of them that is. And then on the upside, I'm looking to get in back above Friday's high. So that's how I'm looking at the S&P. Like I said, the Qs is very volatile. We got a big lineup of earnings this week. Just play this carefully, right? This could go either way. You know, we're in a no trend, which in no trend, the market likes to steal your money. So if you're long, stay long. If you're not involved in the market, just stay kind of on the sidelines until things start to shape up. Now, one thing that I am looking at very closely this week is the small caps, the IWM. So not a whole lot of earnings in small caps. It's going to mainly be dominated by the large mega caps, which regardless is going to move all the markets, including small caps. So still be careful. But I do like this setup. We're putting in a WV pattern. So this is a bottoming process type of pattern and closing above the cloud. So I do like that. If we can get above the high that we put in on April 6th on the IWM, which is 226.69, I will be looking to take this potentially for a swing long with the stop just below 216, 215 area. So keep that in mind for IWM. Targets above, I'm looking at 228, 229, and then 234. And then we're looking at a measured move up to 240, 244, longer term for a swing play. So that's the primary chart that I'm looking at as far as the indexes are concerned, along with the S&P 500, because it is still leading. I do like the S&P. I'm going to mention this just real quick. Bitcoin is in a downtrend, but from this VWAP low, from the September 1 low in 2020, we've had this VWAP hold at 1, 2, 3, now looking like it's going to potentially hold a fourth time. Is this the pivotal point? Is this the reversal? We don't know. This is not a level that I'm going to be loading up on. Ideally, you know that I'm a momentum trader, and I would like to see price back above this cloud before taking another swing long. Could we bounce here? Absolutely. But I still, as long as, we're holding above this 50K, odds could maybe come back and test this 54, 55 level. But until we ultimately get back above this 57 level, roughly on Bitcoin, I'm not too interested in getting aggressively long. So if you're a trader, that's how I'd be trading it. I'm trading and investing this, so managing funds a little bit differently than most. So just keep that in the back of your head. And just to wrap up, S&P still technically a 9-day bull flag, close to all-time highs. If we have some good earnings this week, I think this could absolutely rip. But prepared for some volatility. Be prepared for some chop. If Tesla comes out and reports extremely well, it's going to probably move markets. And then, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, who knows what Amazon and Apple and Google and those names are going to do. So just be cautious, just be careful. Hold your runners versus your stops, and like I said, just be patient with this setup, guys. Hope that was beneficial. If you like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and also hit the links in the description. Take care.